very talented, very creative. Olori, Oluwatobiloba. Stand up for recognition. Gbogbo aṣọ tó wọ̀ yẹn ló máa ń ṣe fúnra ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe báyìí, aṣọ bàtà yeye gbogbo ẹ̀. Tí máa dúró báyìí, tí máa ní kó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yàrá ìdá, ó máa yà mí, ó máa get it right. So please let's about me at all. A lot of people don't understand why Olori. But for me, I have a mission with all of them.
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Crossblog X Daily. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below, and please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Yes. Today's update is about we all know now the sugar babe in the life of Ooni of Ife. We all know who the sugar baby is, the romantic one, the beautiful one. You know, the one we get Baba password gongo. The one and only way make us see Baba gap tooth recently and a smile, you know. One that it's just you can't just beat around the bush with that. Queen Toby Phillips is the lucky girl. We all saw in our previous video she and Ooni of Ife, the way you know their body language, the way that they do the romantic thing for video, you know. So she has the password to the king. Yes, and we all know Queen Toby Phillips. She's a fashionista. She's a fashion designer. Yes, every clothes you see on her, she designs it. Just look at this picture now. Queen Toby Phillips is looking beautiful in a white design with gold sequin, you know, sitting like a proper queen. Yes, please drop a comment down below. She designed all these dresses she's wearing, and I love her for that because she's an entrepreneur. She knows what she wants. She creates that fashion sense for herself. And to be honest, taba wo gbogbo nínú gbogbo àwọn olórí láàfin, I think she dresses more like a queen. Yes, she dresses more like a queen, followed by Ashley. Ashley too is trying, but the other Oloris, I don't know, maybe because they're a bit older, or I don't know, because Toby Phillips is younger and she's a fashionista. Maybe that is why her own fashion sense is different from all the Olori. You can also see in this other picture the way she's standing. You know, Toby Phillips is also a model. She models in all her pictures. She stands like a proper model, she just have everything total package. I'm sure that is why she's turning on Ooni of Ife's head. She's torturing his head, like, I don't get it, because for that video that we saw, please drop a comment down below. That video that surfaced few days ago between Queen Toby Phillips and Oba Adeyeye of Ife, Jaja second, shows that they are very, very much into each other. And this lady, she's very sweet. She has all the package. She reminds me of, I'm sorry, I'm going to bring in Queen Naomi Shilekola. She reminds me of Queen Naomi Shilekola. Her own kind of dressing is different as well. She has her own style. Everybody should know their style. We should all know what suits us, what works for us. Yes, and that is it. And in this other picture, we can all see that these three this gorgeous contestant. Do you know that it was Queen Toby Phillips that designed all these dresses they're wearing? Oh my god, she really did fantastically well. Yes, she's very good in her creativity. She's very good. She designs well, and sometimes I've seen a couple of her videos that she actually designs those clothes on the client's body, as in, oh man, so I love that creativity in her. And see the way the contestants are looking so standout, looking so radiant, See them also in this picture. They are happy. And in all the contestants, you can see that the ones Queen Toby Phillips designed, they look so gorgeous and they are outstanding on their own. Yes. Olori Ronke actually invited Queen Toby Phillips to come and educate the contestant, and also she was giving part of the contestant so that she can dress them up for the occasion, and they all look good. You can see them in this picture as well, smiling. And do you know what? He was one of out of the five people. Toby Phillips clothes. The winner of the Queen Moremi Ajasoro came from Queen Toby's Phyllis part, the people she dressed up for. So we can see that her creativity is bad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ná, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ láàfin? Please drop a comment down below. This woman's fashion sense is a killer, as in me rele me on the palace. And now we don't even see likes of Miriam Manako anymore, because I don't know what's going on. Ever since that video surfaced online, we hardly even see her with Ooni of Ife, because we all know that she's Ooni of Ife's right hand, Yeyelu, they're always together. So kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Please drop a comment down below. And you can see in this other picture as well that Ooni of Ife is applauding Toby Phillips, applauding her that look.
Very talented, very creative. Olori Oluwatobiloba. Stand up for recognition. Gbogbo aṣọ tó wọ̀ yẹn ló máa ń ṣe fúnra ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe báyìí. Aṣọ bàtà yeye gbogbo ẹ̀. Tí máa dúró báyìí, tí máa ní kó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yàrá ìdá, ó máa yà bí ó máa get it right. So please let's about me pàtẹ́wọ́ fún mi. A lot of people don't understand why Olori. But for me, I have a mission with all of them.
You have really done a great job, and I'm proud of you. And you can see there's a way she looks at Ooni of Ife. She always reminds me of Queen Naomi Shilekonla. There's a way Queen Naomi Shilekonla too looks at Ooni of Ife. Yes, and you can see as well in this video, she actually went online. I love her for that. She went online to spray her contestant like. Yes, as in this Toby Phillips, she too get paparazzi egbagbe. She knows how to dress, she knows how to work, she knows how to pose for picture, she talks well, she has manners, as in otumoju koto yẹ kó ṣe. She felt like, oh, she was really honored, like, oh, I was the one that actually dressed you, and you won this occasion. No, I'm going to spoil you. And she started spraying. You can see in this video the way she's spoiling the contestant with some cash. I just like her. It's like Olori Toby Phillips just came with her own swag, as in she just have her own kind of style. And we all know fingers are not equal. Even if one mama born 6 children, everybody can be the same. We all have different parts, we all have different things, the way we do. And please drop a comment down below. What do you think? You can also see her here. You see likes of Nkechi Blessing. Hey, Mama Nkechi. Anywhere that get there, vibes they did there. You can see them trying to crown, trying to appreciate the winner of Moremi Ajasoro. What she's wearing, my Queen Toby Phillips designed everything. And I love that design. Looks so simple and classy. You can see likes of Ronke there. And you see Toby Phillips. You see all the beautiful queens there. Olori Ronke Ogunwusi. She's on the stage. We all know that the event belongs to her. She is the host of the event, and they're trying to decorate the winner for the beauty pageant. Yes, and that is Queen Toby Phillips as well. You know, she's just admiring. Oh, admire sure well. I see our king Oba of Ife or Jaja Sego. But wait a minute, oh, who sat on that chair? Is Miriam Manako that is supposed to there? Where is she? We can't find her. There's nowhere to. She's nowhere to be found. Hey, see our Abike Jagabano. Hey God, please, wait a minute. Does she? She doesn't even really act like a queen. See her, because the camera just came to her side. She started showing off herself. Oba of Ife, hey, wake up, oh, hey, wake up, oh. Please wake up, sir. You know, Abeke Jagaban, we've been seeing her with Okpashe up and down, you know, and she's been doing queen. But excuse me, oh, please drop a comment down below. Did anybody see her a wedding a video or wherever, or invite at least the previous all the newest Olori in the palace? Gbogbo wa la rí invite wọn, la rí wedding clips wọn bí ó tiẹ̀ pọ̀, we saw 1 or 2 3 4 minutes clips, but we haven't seen Abike Jagaban's clips, wedding clips. Or is it that she's forming to be Olori, or she's aspiring, or she wishes, or she's just Obogun's side chick, or whatever? I don't get it. Now she's there again now. See her titting at she has bringing her all at 36. You know, a queen should be subtle, a queen should be calm. Abiki left you. Drop commenting. I know a lot of people don't want her to be the queen. They don't want her to be queen of Ile Ife, because Gbasgbos Gbama Shele. You know that woman, she's a street woman. And in our previous video, we all saw that the way she was rude to a lady, you know, trying to correct her towards Mama Isabod. Mama Isabod is old enough to be her mother, you know. But anyway, we all know what Abike Jakaban is, so she's just like that. She's a very saucy lady. I'm sure if Oni brings her to the palace, oh Mama Lura one palace, and the next day she'll be online blogging the queen, the kings, you know, everybody in the palace. So I think my king Oba Ogunwusi should look into that matter. She doesn't befit it. And even in our previous video, you saw that we had a lot of comment, people saying no, never, it's not going to be, you know. But we are the online in-laws, we can only analyze. It's left for the king or the queens what they want to do. But wait a minute, why is it that it's only Olori Toby Phillips that is involved? We can't see the other Oloris. What's going on? Is it that they are not invited, or what? And normally that seat beside Ooni of Ife is not always empty like that. There's somebody always sitting down there, and it's always Queen Miriam Manako. Where is she? What's going on? Please drop a comment down below. I just noticed that now. What's going on? Anyway, she did there, she no did there. Anyway, wait, I want to ask a question again. Is it that our Oba Ogunwusi Oba Ojaja Second, ṣé wọ́n ti kọ timetable ni pé ìyàwó báyìí ló máa tẹ̀lé wọn jáde, eléyìí ló máa tẹ̀lé wọn jáde? Because we don't understand. We all know when the late Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́ was there, all his Oloris, they always together in uniform. Ọjọ́ máa ń jáde ní even wọ́n máa fún wọn ní front row ní níwájú, wọ́n máa jókòó pẹ̀lú ọkọ wọn. But it's like Ooni of Ife's pattern is different. Everybody is different, as I've said earlier. Fingers are not equal. We have right to do whatever we want to do. We are all adult. We are matured grandpas, grandma, mommies, and daddies, you know. So maybe Ooni of Ife just felt okay. All his Oloris, àwọn mama cut timetable fún wọn pé, you know, and we all know that Ooni of Ife about Georgia Second, he loves football. Maybe Baba has turned them to football team A, team B, team C, team D. So Baba has different, you know, different occasions that he takes the different teams to. Please drop a comment down below. Is it that hey Koyemio, is it that Baba has different, you know, have different places he takes them to, different occasions? Well, if that's what you want, Kilo wa kan wa nbe, we are just online in-laws analyzing. King wants, what can we do? What can we say? Nothing can be done, you know. And I just hope our Miriam Manako, because I hope she's okay, because we know when she got married, it was like Romeo and Juliet, but now we know they see them again. It'll be like saying, Olori Toby Phillips, they reign now. Lọ́mọ tó ń sanwó lọ́wọ́. Olọ́mọ tó ń jáwó lọ́wọ́. And I know, I'm sure that she has Baba's password. And you know, if you have your husband's password, you always be his favorite, you know. But on the real, serious note, make we talk true. Yes. Toby Phillips na fine babe. Yes. She too much now. Kí lẹ fi yẹn lẹ̀ now. Ọmọ dùn ga. She's always coming out in a different way. Look at her now. Baba carry her go market na very ni. In fact, after Naomi left there, he was supposed to marry this one and just forget all those other people wey he marry. Abi, please drop your comment down below. Toby is a fine babe now. What are we talking about? You know, she represents a queen. Yes, her physique, the way she walks, her dressing, everything represents a queen, a proper queen. Yes, a queen wey be say dem get money, her husband na king wey get money, billionaire king. That's the kind of queen she represents. She's too much. I just like, I see the way she's going, see the posing. We all know she's a model, giving them all the vibes, you know. I want Olori to laughing go le draw with on now. That one alone go they kill them inside. You know, even all the Olori said they don't run, they can't stand now. One le meet the help, one le meet up because Olon design aṣọ tó ń wọ̀ fún rẹ̀, and ó ti mọ̀ nǹkan tó fit rẹ̀, ó yà ń ṣe. You know, níwọ̀nba ni, you know. Oda, she looks like all these emir queens. You know, they're the ones that look so rich like this. If na lie, me na say Queen Anako na billionaire na kinik. Omo forget to this one, forget. Small money but loud. She's loud. Egbagbe. She's always, she and Queen Naomi. I don't know who's you know, because I love Queen Naomi. I can't, you know, hell yeah now. In fact, please drop a comment down below. I want to buy about Ooni of Ife ni. You know, if Oba like yellow sissy, okay, agree. Make him take Toby alone. And with Ashley on the side, yeah. Àwọn méjèèjì, they look so elegant. Toba what become by everywhere go shake. All head go roll. Pé wow. Oba wọlé. Àwọn goddess go wọlé, you know. But I don't know, as our king go carry a daily but carry until 1960, you know. We don't understand though. These are coins now. Look at her now. What you do now? Please, this one's sweet now. Don't share now. Ibo lọ bá fojú sí tẹ́lẹ̀ gan-an. Wọ́n kàn gbá àwọn àǹtí tó ju Nàìjíríà lọ́gọ̀. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an àbí kí lẹ́rù? Please drop a comment down below. No, Toby Phillips is, no, forget it. She's too much. She's pretty. No, she's pretty. I just love her. She's pretty like my queen. Even all the bloggers said we don't give Queen Toby Phillips a flag. Even Queen Naomi said say she won't retire. All the blog with the blog, I'm gonna begin the blog Toby Phillips. Gbas I know they finish for this world though. You know, news no they finish, blogging no they finish. Every day na blogging. You shit self na blogging, you sleep na blogging. I know now there's pressure in the palace with her beauty, the way she walks, the way she talks, the way she carry herself. I'm sure all the older Oloris, there's nothing they can do. What if none, you know. No, Miriam Manako cannot pursue Toby Phillips. Toby Phillips cannot pursue Miriam Manako. You know, that pursue, just stylishly, you know, maybe Ooni of Ife ojú Toby Phillips ló máa wò sí, you know, how want me late 90s, you know. Anyway, what can we say? Hope you enjoyed the update today. Please drop a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for always supporting Crossblog X TV. Thank you for your positive comment, negative comment. Thank you so much. God bless you.